I'm going to do a smoky eye. I'm going to show you how to do this on beautiful Lauren, who already has her foundation done and glowing look already prepared. So really we're going to be concentrating on the eyes. I'm going to start just by taking this beautiful Chanel palette. I'm going to take the soft pale color and I'm going to use this color under the brow. So it's very gentle, it's only highlighting a tiny weeny bit. Taking the same brush, I'm now going to go for the softer of these two taupes, the bottom one. And I'm going to gently put this on the lid across. And you literally go back and forth like a windscreen wiper, bang, bang, bang. Across the lid and into the socket of the eye. Very gently building the eye. Same on the other side. Back and forth, back and forth. So that's really gentle. Now, taking the other end of this brush, which has now a more controlling brush on it, I can now define the eye better. So I'm going to move into this one. Taking that, and now I'm going to use this in the socket of the eye. So this is through here. I'm building a socket. So they look very fresh, these colours actually, through the socket. Make sure it's even. I'm going to stop there with the eyeshadows right now. I will go back to the darker colour, but first of all I want to use an eye pencil just in the roots of the lashes on the top. I'm just going to go gently in the roots of the lashes, just in the roots of the lashes. Now, just that tiny bit of pencil has brought out the eye just a fraction more. And now I'm going to take the dark colour in this palette, and also the pencil will now have given the powder something to stick to. Now I'm just going to take this along the roots. Do you see? So I'm going to do the same the other side, along the roots of the lashes. Blending the two colours in so it's seamless. Seamless this side as well. Amazing. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small brush. I'm going to take the middle colour and I'm going to put it underneath the eye. Just in the roots of the lashes. And I'm going to blend this with my finger. Look up. Same the other side. And take this across. We might go back and put a bit more on, but we're going to go straight to mascara. I think we need the black mascara rather than brown mascara because it's just stronger. I'm going to hold the lid, go right into the roots of the lashes. Right into the roots. Now vertically, getting right into the roots of the lashes. And the other side, look up. Now I'm just going to use a bit of setting powder. I'm just going to go under the eyes a bit here. I don't want to take away shine. I just want to set it a bit. So just here, here, around the nose here. Then just on the forehead, just through here. We none of us like shine there either. And then just on the chin there, and that's it. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit of colour on her lips. Not much, because I don't want to compete with the eye. Just a tiny bit of colour. Knock the lips together. And there you have this beautiful face.